Hey, welcome back. This is Kangs, and today we are in Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. It's been some time since we checked on airside operation, and what we are looking at is a 737-800, and there's a gentleman who's removing chocks. That means there will be towing, and by the look of things, the towing will be done by a towbarless pushback tractor. That's why the guys had first to remove the chocks so that they can dock the pushback tractor. The way this pushback works is it's lift, it holds and lifts the nose gear of the aircraft. Then it will lift it up. Once the aircraft is lifted, of course, the next step is to remove the main gear chocks because I see the guys they first remove the nose gear, which it should be. Then once they remove the main gear chocks, it will lift the nose gear. And if you see behind, what else is the towing? That car, the yellow car that have just passed behind there, it's called Follow Me. So once everything is done, the pushback operator could not be communicating straight with the tower or with the ground control. So they will follow the yellow car. As you can see, the pushback have started. We expect that yellow car, the Follow Me, to move ahead or to go ahead or in front of the aircraft, and the pushback operator will follow the Follow Me truck or the Follow Me car or vehicle, whatever it is, to the next point or to the destination or where that aircraft is going from there. I believe it's either a reposition, they could be taking it to another bay, or it could be going into the hangar for maintenance. There are many reasons why aircrafts are, or they could be vacating this bay because there's another aircraft that should be coming. And I believe because this specific bay is the one that we were supposed to depart on, so they were expecting another aircraft to arrive. So they were just vacating bay for arrival. So if you look closely, you can see you expect the follow me car to go ahead and the guys will just follow them. I don't know whether that will happen. It should. I don't know. I just realized on the beginning of the video the car went at the back. I believe it went to block. Yeah, the car is there, the yellow car. It went to block the taxiway on the other side, and now it's to go ahead and the pushback operator will follow. And as I told you, they were vacating the bay for an arrival. And this is Salamia from Muscat, Oman. It's arriving. As you can see, this guy over here, it's an airfield marshaller. So basically, what he's doing is like, yeah, move to my right, move to my right, move to my right, move to my right. Okay, now come straight, come straight. Uh, if you work in the airport or you are in aviation, you definitely understand every single thing that he is doing. And of course, the pilot do understand is something very interesting. So I'm trying to get a good view. So the windows in Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, they are small. They are not like, okay, they are wide, but they are walls at the middle, so it's hard to get that wide view. So that means stop. So the next step from there, once the aircraft stops, the first guy to go there should be the headset mechanic, because the headset mechanic, he will go or he goes or she goes, connect the headset and communicate with the pilot or the captain or the cockpit crew, because they might request anything. They might request like a GPU if the APU is not working well or the engine or something. So this is the first guy to go there, and then followed by the guys who gonna come and secure the aircraft. That is They will put chocks on the wheel. Chocks are like blocking the wheels, which blocks the aircraft from roaring by itself. As we saw in the first video, before the departure of the aircraft, they have to remove the chocks so that they can connect the pushback. It's the same thing on arrival. As you can see, that guy in orange, he's holding chocks in his hands. So they will chock the wheels so that the captain can release the brake. After that, they will connect the equipment if the passengers are disembarking or they are boarding. The next series of operations will go on after the aircraft is secured. So the next operation we'll be looking at, yeah, the aircraft is secured. We can see the passenger step is connected. There is a high lift. It can be high lift for the catering, or it can be an ambulift for helping someone on a wheelchair to be like to go down because they cannot use the stairs. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed the review on the airside operation. Goodbye. See you next time.